what's up everybody? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick kind of unboxing. I just received my Senville Leto series mini split air conditioner. This is the 24,000 BTU model, and it did actually just arrive here on a truck. It does come on a skid on a pallet, so if you're going to receive this, make sure that you got room for this box. This is a fairly large box, but let's see what's in the box, and I'm actually going to do another update video once I get it all installed, and I'll explain how I actually got it installed. But right now I want to kind of show you what's in the box. What do you get? What else would you have to buy? All right, so in this first box here, this is actually the head unit. This is the indoor unit that goes, and I'm not gonna get it all the way out of the box here, but that's basically what was in there. Also, they also give you some mounting, presumably some mounting hardware for the unit itself, as well as the instruction manual and a remote for the unit. This is actually Amazon Alexa compatible, so you can do that. But one thing I am noticing as I'm unboxing this is the certificate of warranty. This does come with a manufacturer parts and warranty on the parts and the compressor, but it is only valid if you have a licensed HVAC technician install it. So that is one thing to consider when you are buying this product. I'm not sure what installation will run. I've told it's not terribly expensive. These units are actually pretty well priced, so it shouldn't be too much to install a mini split. It's also only one head as well. Now, in this bigger box here, this is actually the outside compressor unit. I'm not going to open that one up because I pretty much know what's in that box based on process of elimination, what's in this box. But also, the one that I really want to know what's in is the accessories box. Now, in the accessories box, you actually get the copper tubing that you're actually going to run the refrigerant through from the outside unit to the inside unit. Actually, it comes with the foam insulation. There's some sealing clay because you are going to have to drill a hole in the side of your house. That's actually going to seal around so all the weather doesn't get in. And then various fittings and things is there as well. Now, on the box, it said this is a 16-foot hose, which is basically, that's enough hose if you're on the basically if you're on the outside wall. So if you were to basically go on the other side, on the inside of the house, put your head unit in there, and then come right down. That's actually where the what 16 foot of hose is enough for. If you're going to do something like an interior wall or something a little bit further from where the outside unit's going to be, you're going to need more hose. Now, they did actually pre-charge this with enough refrigerant, then you can go up to 25 foot of hose. Any more than 25 feet, which I think I might need closer to 30 or 35, I'm going to need more refrigerant, but the professional HVAC installer is going to know that. Now, since I'm going to be installing it here on the side of my house, you actually have to pick up it's not in the box, I knew this when I bought it, you have to pick up a wall mounting bracket for the unit itself that basically the condenser is going to sit on. You don't want to put it right on the ground. This, I guess, was an old propane tank when I bought the house. I figured, hey, it would sit right here. Not the case. You do have to elevate these units. So there's going to be basically two L brackets here. You'll see in the follow-up video when it gets installed. They're basically going to go into the concrete or into the stone wall, and it's going to sit on top of the L bracket. So overall, this is just about a complete kit. I can't call it a complete installation kit because it does not include that bracket that has to go on the side of the house. But again, you do get the hoses for a basic install. You may have to get longer hoses depending upon where you're going to put the inside unit. But get the inside unit, the outside unit, the hoses, and again, you're just going to have to get that bracket at the bare minimum. I'm making this video in May. I'm going to follow up and do a review video after I've had it up for a couple weeks. Get it installed probably sometime mid to late June. But overall, first impressions out of the box, it did come FedEx freight. It was easy to receive, relatively easy to store, and I am actually impressed with the quality of what I got for the price point that I paid. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.